Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Snyk to automate security alerts with AI summaries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Snyk for automating security alerts with AI summaries, start by visiting the Snyk website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Integrations tab in the side menu. Select the appropriate integration option for your project, such as GitHub or GitLab. Authorize Snyk to access your repository. After integration, Snyk will automatically scan your project for vulnerabilities. Next, navigate to the Projects section on the dashboard. Select the project you want to monitor for security alerts. Click on Settings for that project. Scroll down to the Alerts section. Enable the option for automated alerts. In the same section, look for the AI summaries feature and turn it on. Customize the frequency of alerts according to your preference. Save the changes to activate the settings. Snyk will now automate security alerts with AI-generated summaries. Check your email or the dashboard for alerts to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You have successfully set up Snyk to automate security alerts with AI summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.